celery, 2 medium carrots, chopped garlic, cup of cheese, 2 medium onions, a tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 pounds of pork, spring roll wrappers. Let's get cooking! These are very delicious. These are great for parties. Mixing time. It's so colorful. Now we're ready. It's all mixed great. Let's rock and roll. Let's use egg wash to close it. Fry them up. Nice golden brown. Wow, looks yummy. Very good. Bye, hope to see you next time. Thank you. Please subscribe.